Well, now I'm off to get my life-sustaining supplies, cornmeal and gunpowder and ham hocks and guitar strings. I'll give you a lift. Hop aboard, mateys. Now, mush! 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 Like this. Watch. Bumble snow monster of the north strikes again.
It's my nose. He keeps giving us away.
Anything I hate is a noisy Bumble snow monster. We'll have to outwit the fiend with our superior intelligence.
How?
Douse your nose and run like crazy. Come on! Bumble has one weakness, and I know it. Do-it-yourself icebergs. Observe the Bumble's one weakness. Bumble sinks! Ha-ha! Yukon Cornelius scores again! Whoopee! Nothing.
Mister, where are we going?
You're going to stay with me, and we'll all be rich! With the biggest silver strike this side of Hudson Bay! Silver!
I thought you wanted gold.
I changed my mind!
Yes, sir, our friends were really on their way. But not one of them knew where they were going.